Hi guys, today at Purgy Performance we're going to be changing the spark plugs and coil packs on our Abarth 500. This is part of our basic maintenance series that we're going to be running through a few different jobs that are quite easy to complete at home. So the first step is we need to gain access to the coil packs and spark plugs. To do this we need to remove our induction kit. We've got the DNA induction kit on this car. You may have a different one or the stock airbox, but that needs to come off to gain access either way. Now that the clamps are loose, we can remove the induction kit. Now we've got access to the coil pack area. Remove this clamp to remove this oil breather line. Now we can remove the electrical connectors from all 4 coil packs and the one from this sensor here. Now that we've loosened the clip, we just squeeze down and pull back to pull out the connector. Now we need to remove the bolts that hold in the coil pack on each one, and this bolt for the ground cable here. Remove the bolts and keep them safe for later. The last bolt we need to remove is this one here that holds down the wiring loom. Now that the loom is free, we can finish pulling off the clips and remove it out of the way. All of the coil packs are now loose, so you can just pull them straight up and out of the way. Now we need to remove the spark plug. Using a spark plug socket like this is ideal, but if you don't have it, a normal socket and then pulling them with a magnet will work just fine. Remove the old spark plug and do this for all 4 cylinders. To get your new spark plug, put it into your socket and guide it down into the cylinder. Repeat this step for all 4 cylinders. Repeat this for all 4 cylinders. Do them just hand tight at first and then use a ratchet at the end to tighten them up. Now we just need to put the coil packs back on. Obviously, if you're replacing these for new ones, use your new coil packs. If not, use the ones that you took out. Press them down into each cylinder, lining up where the bolt goes. Now we need to reinstall the wiring loom. Guide it into place. Just get all 4 connectors lined up, and then you can clip them down. Don't forget this sensor here. We can reinstall the bolt that holds the loom in place. And now we can put all 4 bolts back into the coil pack and of course the ground cable as well. Tighten them all down. Now we can reinstall our oil breather line. Finally, we need to put our induction kit back into place. Again, if you've got a different induction kit or a standard airbox, just refit it as you removed it. And that's it, we're all done. That should keep our engine happy for many more miles. If you've got any other ideas for videos that you'd like to see from us, let us know and we'll be happy to make them.